Man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds, so stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Tools for your car. Every young man should have in his car some specific tools. These tools will make owning a car an easier task when taking care of problems. The pleasure of having a car and being able to upgrade or change parts is a rewarding feeling of success. All men will want to do at least some repairs or changing parts when they break or burn out. So now let's look at some of the most common needed tools for your car. What I'm showing you here are the must-haves for anyone if they're driving a car. So these are the basics that you should have in your car at any time, minus the jack. I didn't go and pull the jack out of the car because it's locked in, and I didn't want to go through all that getting under the seat to get it out. So, but these are basic tools that you would need to operate a car: screwdrivers, Phillips head, and a flathead. Wrenches, you want to have adjustable wrenches. I don't have that here, but I have the open end wrenches. You want to have a tire pressure gauge. You want to have at least a pencil. Also a knife and a flashlight. Could be a little flashlight or a large flashlight, depending. Sometimes you want a larger one if you're at night. And then a socket set, a ratchet set. But these are just the basic tools that you would need for your vehicle. So if you don't have them, you need to go out and get them, put them in a little bag, and keep them in the trunk of your car or wherever, so that you're always ready. I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Some optional tools that you may want to think about having in your car. For anyone that is caring of their car, these are some additional items I think you might want to have. You don't have to have them in the car, but in the house. One what I say you should keep in the car is the jumping cables, and also the air pressure pump, portable there, but a first aid kit, and then a survival kit where you cut your seatbelt or break the window. There's a battery cleaner to clean off the terminals. You have the hexagon tools that allow you to work with a lot of the different tighteners that are on the vehicle, and also a larger ratchet set. Just something I think will enable you to maintenance your car and keep it well maintained. It's my opinion, so you need to think about these things if you're going to have a car and you want to try to take care of it. Then these are a few of the items that you just might want to have on hand. This way, you won't be at anybody's mercy. You have a battery charger to charge your battery. You have the jumper cables you're going to jump just in case, you're out and about. You will have an air pressure device that'll blow up a tire for you to get you to where you need to go. If it goes flat, you might not want to ride, 100 miles on it, but it could go, if you blow it up, it can go another 10, 20 miles to get you to a place where you can get it fixed. So these are just some of the additional items that I think you need to have in your car for your safety. Once you've obtained the basic tools for your car, the process of taking care of any problems will be made easier. You will surely have a calming peace of mind about car repair. There's nothing worse than breaking down and not having the tools to correct the problem. So make sure you are determined to get the basic tools with your car. A small expense for peace of mind. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.